Hi, in this video, we'll be going over the differences between paid ads and SEO. So if you'd like to know which one is better for your business, then watch this video. Okay, so first, what are paid ads? So paid ads are essentially paying Google or Bing to appear at the top of the search engines. So you need to bid for keywords and you can get results very quickly because as soon as you run a campaign, you'll start generating traffic. Though, depending on the keyword, this could be more expensive. So make sure that you're actually getting a return on your campaign. You can check out this video that I have linked on how to set up a paid ads campaign using Google Ads. So first, let's talk about the pros of paid ads. So it's, again, quick and instant results. As soon as you turn on your campaign, you'll start generating traffic, assuming that you're bidding correctly and targeting a sufficient amount of keywords to generate a high volume of traffic. And you can target specific demographics, interests, and keywords. You can really fine tune on the type of demographic of which users will see your ad. As compared with SEO, you can't really choose which demographic sees your page because when ranking for SEO, you're ranking based on keywords only. Again, it's cost effective as long as you're getting a return on your ad spend and you're bidding on keywords that aren't as competitive. And again, you only get charged if someone clicks on your ad. So with paid ads, it's not just optimizing the keyword, it's also optimizing the landing page. So once the user clicks your ad, that the page that they're directed to is optimized for conversion. You need to also keep that in mind. Let's go over the cons of paid ads. So again, it can be very competitive and costly for popular keywords, and also location. So if you're targeting, say, New York lawyers or Toronto dentists, so those are some very competitive keywords. So the good thing about paid ads is you can choose negative keywords as well. So looking at, say, if you're selling web design services, but you're not selling web design courses, you can make sure that if anyone searches web design course, that you won't be charged, you won't appear for that query. So that's something that's good about paid ads. And again, it may be difficult for smaller businesses to compete with larger businesses because it is a game of who can pay the most for the keyword, because paid ads is essentially an auction. So whoever has the highest bid for that keyword will rank at the top. So again, this is all about, smaller businesses can find success with paid ads if they're targeting more longer tail keywords or very niche specific keywords, like maybe platform specific niches or long-term keywords. And ads are only as affected as your ad copy and landing page. So again, just because people are clicking your ad doesn't mean that they will convert, right? So you need to make sure that both the targeting is correct and also your ad copy is very descriptive so that the user who clicks knows, kind of has an idea that what they're clicking into is what they're looking for. And again, landing page optimization. So making sure that the website, the landing page that the user is redirected to is optimized for conversion. So what is SEO? So SEO is the process of ranking on Google organically. So you're not paying for it. You're not paying Google directly, but you still need to pay for content to be written and backlinks. So it is cheaper to get started with SEO because you can essentially just write up a few articles and that's considered SEO. So I'll link a video here, which is one of my videos that talks about how to get started with SEO for your website using Yoast SEO. So let's go over the pros of SEO. It's a long-term strategy for sustainable results. It improves your website visibility and organic traffic, and establishes your business as an authority in your industry. And it's relatively lower cost compared to paid ads. So again, with SEO, it's a longer term game, so you won't see results right away. It'll take probably months or even years depending on the competition of the keywords you're targeting. So it is more of a longer term strategy. But once it gets going, it can exponentially provide you traffic, and you're still able to generate SEO traffic even if you're not actively maintaining your website. Where with paid ads, as soon as you stop paying Google, then the traffic stops coming as well. And again, with SEO, you can optimize for a wide range of search terms and long-term keywords. So this is how you would remain kind of competitive compared to targeting something very broad like lawyer New York or lawyer Toronto. You can really fine-tune your targeting, saying something like legal documentation audits for New York lawyers will be easier for you to rank on Google than trying to compete for something like New York lawyer. Okay, so let's go over the cons of SEO. So it takes time to see results, so months or even years. It's constantly evolving with changes to best practices and algorithms. So with this, as soon you're kind of at the mercy of the Google algorithm. So if they change something, that could drastically increase or decrease your rankings. And but compared to paid ads, any Google update won't affect your paid ads. And requires ongoing investment and time and resource to stay up to date. So again, you need to constantly be managing your content and backlinks. So there is more maintenance with SEO and making sure that you're updating your content and website according to Google's algorithm updates. So which is best for your business? So I would say actually starting out, you should start with SEO as it's free to get started. And once you kind of have a good foundation of SEO, you can keep track of which keywords are performing very well. So you'll have an understanding which keywords you should be targeting when you're starting to run a paid ads campaign. So the conclusion is you should utilize both because you don't need to choose one or the other. Paid ads and SEO go hand in hand. So using both for your business as long as it's profitable. So start with SEO to get started, and then once you kind of get traction and you're looking for faster results, then I would recommend paid ads to target the keywords that you're looking to generate more traffic to. Okay, so this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to understand the differences between paid ads and SEO and have a better understanding on which of these marketing channels you should first use for your business. And if you're interested in having my agency Maplet Media manage your PPC or SEO, then you can check out the link in the description to visit my website. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.